things by automatic configuration.
Correct.
Okay, that automatic configuration called as OBYC. This is the place where we will do the GL account mapping for the automatic posting based on the each transaction. Okay. This is the place. For example, if you go to BSX is the inventory posting. If I go here, it will ask see here we have assigned the GL account for stock account. You are getting my point?
Yeah.
So I will explain what is this, what is this. Now I will explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First we will search for some purchase orders and we will see. Okay. C16 EKPO. This is very important. You just stop me if you are not understanding. Okay. No problem. I will go very slowly.
Okay, sir.
Standard purchase regression.
This is material group.
This is not material group. This is a purchase order document type.
Okay, sir.
Like, however, we will be creating customer account group, right? Similarly, we can create this.
So what is this standard PO?
This I am just searching for the PO number, purchase order number, which is already created.
Okay, sir.
So with reference to that, we will try to create one new PO and try to do the goods receipt, and we will try to do the analysis from where GL accounts are triggering.
Okay, okay.
So as a FI and MM consultant, first we should know for which transaction what is the GL account and what is the transaction event key, which system uses.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first, if you want to configure, first you have to use the transaction code OBYC. Okay. If somebody asks you what is the transaction code for MM integration, you tell them OBYC. Either directly you can go to OBYC, okay, or otherwise there is another transaction OMWB. Okay, you have to go here and select, you have to cancel this, then from here also you can go. From here also you can go there. There are two transactions, okay. First let us create the purchase order. So I am going to copy the existing purchase order. That's the reason I am just entering here. Okay. Here I am just simply copying the old one. This is service PO.
Okay, no problem. Service PO also work.
Which one?
So, you selected service PO, na?
No, it will be better for you to understand through both if it is a material item, so that it is easy for us to explain this thing, OBYC, all those settings. We can enter the material code, that's what I am just searching. By the time I'll just map all these things into our training system. I'll need 1 or 2 hours to map all these things. So I'll keep it ready. But in our system, if we try to create, we'll get hell number of errors. Because whatever the settings are there, they'll be used by many people. Okay, I'm just saving it. This is our PO number. This is our new PO number, okay? Now what I do, I'll just simply try to create the MyGo. So to do the MyGo, you know, right, how to do it. You have to select here goods receipt, purchase order number. Here you have to enter the purchase order number. Then press enter. So now it will ask you to enter the delivery note number. If delivery note number is there, you can enter delivery note number, okay? So select the item, okay? Check. If everything is fine, try to post it.
Okay.
Now this posting we will analyze first, okay?
Okay, sir.
If I go to document type and if I see the FI document, see there is some accounting entry has been generated and nowhere you have entered anything directly, right?
Yeah, correct.
These two accounts system has determined automatically. How? So now I am going to the configuration. If you want to go to menu also, you can go here. Here it is material management,
Okay.
inventory management, valuation and account assignment.
Okay.
Here you can see the account determination wizard. Here you can configure that. They have restricted the authorization. Okay. Directly we'll go by transaction / OBYC. So for example, there are two accounts, one debit, one credit has come. If you see this accounting document, so what is happening? It is debiting to the
Material.
price difference account. Now, so at the time of MeGo, system will post to the balance sheet is balance sheet material account, stock account, and credit to the GRIR clearing account. What is the accounting entry for MeGo?
For MeGo, I don't remember.
MIGO accounting document is stock will be debited and GRIR, goods receipt and invoice receipt account will be credited.
Okay, this I know, but I thought we are talking about T code or document type. This I know.
Okay. Okay, document
No,
type
but
it will
see, my question is here. When we did MyGo here, the
yeah.
material is received.
Material?
Okay. The material is received, then we are making MyGo, na?
Exactly.
Then why this price difference is debited?
I'll tell you, that's what I'm going to explain. That's the reason I told you even beginning of our session, it is a real system and we have many scenarios.
Okay, okay.
That's it. In normal system, to create this difficult for us. That's the reason I directly took to the real system. This part again, I will configure it in our Max Online also. See here, in total what happens, everywhere they will not maintain price in the material master. For example, in the same this thing, I am just going to add the material in the layout. The reason why I took this is in later section I am going to explain you about the material ledger.
Okay.
Sorry. So this is our material code. I'm going to MM03.
MM03 I know how to use it.
MM03.
Yeah.
I'm just searching for the plant. We'll check it in PO. So plant code is OF10. If you see here in the accounting one view, there is no price at all. See?
Yeah.
Moving average price and standard price. So that's the reason what system will do. If there is no price is there in the material master, system will automatically fix the price difference account for the purpose of posting.
Okay.
Where that will be configured, now I will explain you in OBYC. Okay?
Okay.
If you go in this, if you go to PRD, okay, price difference account, what now we have to see how it will be mapped. Okay, so each see integration point between MM and SD starts with this valuation class. Okay, what happens initially when you want to map GL accounts for material goods movement, you need to have accounting 1 in Material Master. Accounting 1 view should be active, and in the accounting 1 view, this valuation class we have to enter. Valuation class is the linkage between the FI and the MM. So what is this valuation class? Valuation class is the material category. For example, for raw materials, you will be having separate valuation class. For semi-finished goods, you will be having separate valuation class. And for finished goods, you will have separate valuation class.
Okay, sir.
Like based on the material type, you can differentiate this valuation class. You can use any number. So how many are there? Here we are telling for each valuation class you can maintain the respective description for the easy identification purpose. And the other important thing in the accounting 1V is the price control. This price control are two types. One will be standard price, the other one will be the moving average price. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So standard price means what? It will be consistent. Even though your prices are fluctuating from time to time, or for example, each time when you procure a material, even though your price is different, system will not consider that price for the goods receipt. It will consider only the standard price which you have maintained in the accounting. For example, if you say per unit it is 100 rupees, the same 100 rupees system will consistently use for all the goods receipts.
Okay, sir. I am reviewing
Moving
the
average
price in one time.
that is for the semi-finished goods and finished goods.
Yeah, correct.
But for raw materials, most of the cases you will use as the moving average price.
Yeah, correct.
So, for example, in case what I told you, in case for your raw materials, if you use the standard price, system will generate the price differences based on the standard price. The standard price and PO price. For example, your standard price is 100 rupees in the Material Master. And when you have created a PO, you created for 120 rupees.
Okay, correct.
What system will do? System will not adjust the moving average price, because in the Material Master you said your price is standard. You are following the standard price, not the moving average price.
Okay.
So what system will do to keep that price 100 rupees constantly, the remaining 20 rupees it will post to the price difference account.
Okay, sir.
But in our case, whatever the Migo we have done, what happens here? There is no price at all.
Yeah.
Here the price is 0, right? That's the reason why system has taken the entire value to the price difference account. So that price difference account will be mapped here.
Okay, sir.
So the price difference account will be mapped here. How they will map it, we will see now. So this price difference account will be mapped. First we have to see the valuation class which is there in the Material Master. It is H300, okay? So for this H300 with the combination of OF0 plant, okay, they will map for this OF0 plant for this valuation class. This valuation class been assigned to this material code, right? So when I do any transaction on this material code, either by goods receipt or goods issue in this plant, system will check this valuation class and it will see for in case of goods receipt what is the GL account has been assigned. So because even though it has checked the GL account for goods receipt, there is no GL account has been maintained. That's the reason why it is posting to the price difference account. Okay. So that's now we need to check what is the GL account for the price difference. So if you go to OBYC, okay, valuation area, valuation modification they use, it's okay. And it's 100. See, this is the GL account which they have mapped here for the price differences. If you see this transaction event, and if you see the description of this transaction event, it is cost price difference. For example, if there is no price in the material master and those differences should be posted by using this transaction in this chart of accounts for this business transaction for this valuation class, system will post to this GL account. You are getting my point?
Okay.
Is this confusing or is it okay?
No, it is okay.
So this FR, all this GBB, all this will be called as transaction event keys.
Okay.
So this transaction event keys, what this transaction event key? See, you can, if you understand this word exactly, transaction event key. In case of each transaction, in case of each event, it will determine the key which should be used for the purpose of determining the GL account. For example, we will see here, normally it should pick offsetting account from here. Okay, we will see our document. You have the document with you? I gave you, right, one document, SAP document.
Yeah. I for vendor configuration.
Please open the document. Not vendor configuration. Go to this thing, OBYC. So the integration doc I explained.
Okay.
I think it is not there. Go to page number 152. See. So in the accounting one view of material master, among the other values, we will enter the valuation class. Okay? That is what the field which I am trying to explain, this field. Okay? Once that is there, what system will do, each time when you do the transaction, okay? See here, this is the combination how system will check with the combination of valuation class and the movement of the type.
Okay.
Okay? So for example, if you go to SPRO, if you go to SPRO, materials management accounting, okay, inventory and fiscal management, movement types. This is their configuration, but we need to understand how this will be working. Okay, so if we see in the movement types, this thing. For example, if I go to this movement type, if I see the account grouping, here you can see there is a transaction event key assigned for each movement type, right? For example, in this 101, okay, they have assigned the transaction event key, which should trigger, and the entire coding will be written here. There is a value string called WZ01, W06, right?
Okay.
In this value string, they will write the code. For example, when they want to, when they are doing the 101 movement type, our system will take this KBS transaction. For example, in our case, for 101 movement, we are doing the goods receipt. Goods receipt will be done with reference to the 101 movement type, and it went to PRD. Yeah. Why system will go PRD? It is based on this value string. Okay. So, for example, if I open this, so this is the value string. It will looks like this. Then here we need to tell whether it is a special stock or normal stock. If it is a normal stock, we can keep it as normal stock. If it is a K, means it is with reference to the vendor. If it is E, means order on hand. And we will see we will also need to assign the material indicator. See, with the goods movement with purchase order. So that's the reason when we are doing the goods movement with purchase order, it is going to this PRD account based on this value string.
Okay.
Okay. If somebody asks you, you should tell this. And the other important thing is that these two ticks. There is quantity update and value update. There are two things, right? For example, if we select only the quantity update, system will not updates only the quantity in the accounting document, and it will not update the, even it will not generate accounting document. It will generate only the PCA document and material document for quantity update, and it will not generate the accounting document with value posting.
Okay, we are using, I think we are using this in case of
both.
No, valuation is
in
zero.
Case of valuation is zero in case of non-valuated materials.
Non-valuated item, correct.
So if it is item is non-valuated item, for those materials, this tick will not be there.
Okay.
So this is very important. This value string, you should tell, if somebody asks you what is valuation string will be used in the material movement to determine the exact transaction event key based on the coding block. So coding block is nothing but for this value string, there is a ABAP code will be built in the system.
Okay.
And even you can see which are all the transactions can be allowed in this. For example, if I go and select this, if I select here the allowed transactions, you can see which are all the transactions system will consider for 101 movement type. You can see one of them will be MyGo. I am just going here, I am entering MyGo. MyGo. Yeah, here you can see. This is one of the transaction K&K. So for this 101 movement type, system will allow event to do the MyGo. Along with the MyGo, you can allow any of these transactions.
Okay.
Okay. For example, if you are doing through confirmation, okay, CO11 here. If you are doing to, for example, when you are doing the confirmation and if you want to do the goods issue, you can do through this CO11. Automatically goods movement takes place.
Okay.
At the time of confirmation, you can do both goods receipt and goods issue as well as automatically based on the confirmation. For example, you ran the mission for 10 hours And when you are confirming the 10 hours, based on the standard BOM quantity, system will do the goods issue as well as goods receipt. Otherwise, if you want to manipulate the standard quantity, that you can manipulate by adjusting the standard quantity which has been derived by the BOM quantity. So this CO11N also you can use for 101 moment type.
Okay.
If you ask your this guy, if FI consultant, if he will be able to tell, then it will be good actually.
Okay, sir.
It seems I think he may not be able to tell. Go here. Here you can see selection parameter W01 open goods receipt. Goods receipt already exists like that.
Okay.
This all will be done by MM, not by us. And even they will not copy anything. They will simply use what is there existing.
Okay.
Okay. Now after the moment type is allowed, see for goods receipt, you have to remember, you have to by heart this. For goods receipt, moment type is 101.
Okay, sir.
A reversal of goods moment, goods receipt is 102. You have taken the stock into your procured raw material and you kept it in your stock with reference to MyGo. For example, if you reverse, so for reversal, what is the transaction code?
102.
Moment type is 102. Transaction code is MBST. To reverse the MyGo, you have to go to this document. And here you have to enter the material document which has already generated. For example, this is the material document system has generated. This is the material document number. And this is, if you want to cancel, you have to enter this material document number here.
See, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
See, sometimes what happens, we are receiving some material.
Okay.
Or we made, okay, practically what we do, our people, people, what they did, they received one delivery, they, by mistake they entered 2 times, same delivery.
Okay.
Then the period was closed. All period closed. Then I found that this by mistake they have entered 2 times.
Okay.
Correct. Then
okay.
I told them reverse it.
Okay.
But the material period, accounting period, and the CO period all closed.
Okay.
Then the same document we cannot reverse, correct?
You can reverse, and if it is for one period, for example, now we are in the month of September, right? So if you want to reverse for the month of August, you can do.
No, suppose I received in August. Okay, the entry was by my mistake, the entry was made in August. And we have closed the period. Okay, and balance sheet we prepared monthly balance sheet and we have published.
Exactly.
Okay, then I cannot go back and change previous balance sheet.
That's what. Once you prepare the sheet, it is not possible.
Then after that, what we will do? Tell me later on. No problem. We will discuss after.
No, I'll tell you. See, what happens in this case? You are telling you already published your financial statement, but that is not for final, right? That is not for year closing.
No. See, in June we did it. We are publishing half-yearly reviewed balance sheet also. So we cannot change it. Once published, we cannot change. July I can change. August I can change.
Yeah. That is not possible.
Then we will discuss another document. Same document we don't want to reverse. We want to make an adjustment entry. Correct?
That case, what you have to do, you have to adjust only within the file. There is no material adjustment directly.
Okay. I can make JV to adjust.
Yeah, that's it. To
Correct?
make the
But,
impact
but,
zero.
but sir, in material ledger, the quantity is there
Quantity
and the
will be
value
there.
is there.
Yeah, but value will be
So,
reversed based on the JV.
no, the value will be reversed in GL, not in material ledger.
Yeah, material it will not reverse.
Then there will be a difference between material ledger, value of stock in material ledger and value of stock in GL. It will
It
not
will be,
match.
yes, it will
Okay,
not
we
match.
will discuss later on, not now.
Okay, right.
Okay, sir.
So now what happens? So now if you want to cancel this material document, you have to use the transaction code MBST. When you cancel this, system will automatically calls the 101, 102 transaction code.
Okay, sir.
So I think you know already there is a facility in SAP. You can reverse the transactions of only the previous month. For example, if I go to MMRV, I can allow one period as back posting. Previous period is for me in 9th, okay? So I'm
Okay.
in 10th period, okay? So it means, so even I'm in 10th period, I can able to post till 9th period.
Okay.
So that's what I'm telling. Even though I'm in September, I can reverse the documents related to August, not beyond that.
Okay.
Another thing, another control what you can do is, like for example, when PO quantity is 100 and when that guy is doing for 200 quantity goods delivery, the MyGo, there is a option to stop him to do the second MyGo.
Okay.
In the configuration, if they'll keep control, the system will not allow them to do the MyGo beyond PO quantity.
Okay. But I will tell you the situation is different. I will tell you what I did.
Okay. So here, so if you, for example, if you're canceling it, you just press enter. So now you can see here the moment type 102. System has, automatically selected the 102.
Okay.
See, once I save, the same accounting will be reversed. Whatever the system has posted earlier, the same accounting will be same account will be reversed now. If I go here, if I go to accounting document, let me go to this PO. If you go to purchase order history, why no accounting? system has not generated a accounting document.
But document number is
Now we might have reversed in different system, I think. Let's see. We'll try to cancel this material document directly. Slash NMIGO. Do you have material ledger in your system?
yeah.
Material ledger means not materials management.
Ledger. Ledger is there.
I tell you, I'll just ask you one question. If you tell that, then so I'm just cancelling from the MyGo. This posting here. The region for the moment.